Hello friend, welcome to Tabla lesson tutorial. We are in the beginners level practice bowls of Tabla series, and now let's start the bowl. Today we have Tirikita Taka Taka. In this variation we will learn to play how to play Tirikita Taka Taka in different style. Taka Taka. In previous lesson also we have used Taka, and this lesson also we will use Taka Taka. How to play with different techniques from different place how taka is pronounced. So let's dive into the lesson. The ball is Tirakita Taka Taka. So this taka taka, how can we play this taka taka differently so that our fingers movement become flexible? Practicing different balls from tabla in different place here, from different how this is pronounced in the air here, in siahi, in chati. So this type of bring you flexibility in your hand. Practicing this gives more flexibility when you practice, so you can play smoothly for a long time. So let's start this. Tirakita taka taka. Tirakita taka taka. This is one kind of taka. The next variation taka. Tirakita taka taka. The third one. Tirakita taka taka. Tirakita taka. This is the fourth one. So what we did first? Tirakita taka taka. You can play it by bringing tirakita front, sometimes taka taka at front. Look. So you should practice opposite also sometimes. This is ascending, now descending. This is one kind of variation from Tirakita Taka Taka. Now next Taka Taka. Tirakita Taka Taka. Taka Taka. Tirakita Taka Taka. In this way we can play Tirakita Taka Taka. So playing taka taka, you should not cross this center. Tirakita taka taka. Position. Taka taka. Taka taka. Tirakita taka. Giving stroke close sound in this half of the circle. This black. You should not cross your hand like this. It should be here. Tirakita taka. Now next taka taka. Tirakita taka taka. Here you hit with forefinger. Tak close. Taka taka. Taka taka. This is the playing technique. Now next, Tirakita taka taka. Not every ball will go faster, but we should practice all type of ball so that our hand and mind get used to for their balls. Because while playing the kaida or different tukras balls, we use the best one which will be in pattern for going easy and at a speed. So this type of ball sometimes we get that from here, sometimes we get that from here, speed or that balance, or sometimes we get from this. So accordingly the tabla players use this type of ball according to the composition of balls and its pattern. So these type of balls are produced from different places, so we should beginnerly we should practice for these things. Look how we derived here from 4 patterns. First pattern is tira kita taka taka. Tira kita taka taka. We start from this index finger. Tira kita taka taka. Tira kita taka taka. Now second one we start from these 3 fingers. Mid, ring and pinky finger. Tira kita taka taka. Opposite. Previously we did taka taka. Now we will do taka taka. Tira kita taka taka. Tira kita taka taka. Tira kita taka taka. Tira kita taka taka. We learned 2 variation. Now third one is tira kita taka taka. Tira kita ta. Ta with this all 4 finger in half part of this blackish part. Look, this is half. Ta ka ta ka ta ta. Tira kita taka taka taka. Now we have our 4th variation of taka taka playing practice. Tira kita taka taka. Tira kita taka taka. Hope you get this all. I will revise once all pattern slowly. Number 1, tira kita taka taka. 2, tira kita taka taka. Number 3, tira kita taka taka. Number 4, tira kita taka taka. So you practice this 2 times simultaneously.